How to stop people from mentioning you on Instagram. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you are continuously getting mentioned on Instagram posts, stories, comments or anywhere, you can simply stop it by changing these few settings. So to do this, open your Instagram app. Now go to your profile by tapping on this profile icon located on bottom right hand side of your screen. Here on top right hand side of your screen, you will find this hamburger icon. So tap on it. Now scroll down all the way to bottom. And here you will find this icon tag and mentions, so tap on it. Now again scroll down to bottom and then you will find this who can mention you. So here you will find three different options: allow mention from everyone, allow mention from people you follow, and don't allow mention. So what you need to do is tap on don't allow mentions to completely turn off people from mentioning you. By doing this, people won't be able to mention you anymore on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.